Can you change email on Weverse application? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to change email on your Weverse application or not. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Weverse application on your mobile device. Launch it and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the app, tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on My Account in the top, or you can also go ahead and tap on the gear icon in the top right, and under Account, you will see the section of Email. Neither in the app or in the web browser, you will see the option to change your email address. So for now, you cannot change the email address on Weverse application after you've created the account. You need to make sure that you enter the correct email that you'd like to set and you're sure about it. Then only enter the email that you'd like to associate with your Weverse account, because you won't be able to change it once the account is created. So let's hope that in the future, Weverse application will bring a new feature or update where you will be able to change your email associated with your account. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.